Hey you guys, it's Karen and I am here with my horrible haircut. I really, really don't like it. How did this happen? Well, I'll tell you when I'm curling my hair because this is day 3 since having it cut. Is it? Yeah, I had it cut on Friday, today is Sunday, and part of me thinks it's a bad cut because, like, what is this? Like, it's awful. And honestly, the picture I showed her, let me show you. I am telling you about it now, I know, and I said I wouldn't, but I want to show you the picture I showed the hairdresser. And it is my usual hairdresser. I thought, you know what, I trust her because she's been doing my hair for a couple of years now, and every single time she listens to what I say and she does the haircut I want. This is what I showed her. You can actually see me side by side. Nothing like it, is it? To be fair, I did also show her this one, which I still think is nothing like it. Just those two. Those are the 2 photos I showed her. And I think where I went wrong is she said to me, do you want layers? And I said yes. And so what I've got are really short layers. But what I meant was long layers. And I thought she would know that because I've never had short layers. But then I've never had my hair this short. And I had said to her, skimming my shoulders. The only bit skimming my shoulders is this bottom bit, which I just feel like if this was cut off, it would be better. I feel like that would be a better hairstyle. I still think it doesn't suit me now, but honestly, I feel like it's made me look like a boy. I feel like it's aged me 100 years. I'm just not happy with it. Now, it did look slightly different to this when I got it done yesterday. I have since straightened it because that's what I'm going to tell you guys is what I do to kind of, you know, I've got this haircut that I hate, and if it happens to you, what you can do, there's many, many things you can do, and one of them is straightening it. Oh, this picture is just horrendous. It's not that much different, really, is it, to what I've done now, which is, like I said, I've just straightened it a bit. That was yesterday. So I've tried straightening it. I've got all of the options. I've written them all down. I was thinking, right, what can I do? I'm going to try and curl it. That's what I'm going to do now. I'll read these out. So let me start with my GHD and get that ready to go. That's why there's cables draped across the sofa. I tend to do this while watching TV. I did have this haircut once before and I felt like it really suited me, but I feel like it's left me nowhere to hide it in terms of looking old. You know, I already feel like I look so old, and this is really, mind you, it has, you know what, it has made my hair look shiny. I just wish she hadn't done those long short layers. I wish those layers were long. I'm now also seeing that I needed to do it. I needed to section it off. I completely forgot. I don't know why I just started like that. I suppose because it was short, I maybe thought I didn't need to do it. Let me do it here. And I'll speed it up though, because like I said, it'll be really boring for you guys to watch. It's hard to do, harder to do when you've got short hair. I didn't realise that. I don't think I've ever curled short hair because I've only had short hair like this when I was a teenager, I don't think there was such a thing as a curling tong, and one other time in my life where I don't think I had curling. I don't know whether there was curling tongs or I didn't have them. So something to remember is if your hair is too short, if you come out the hairdressers and your hair is too short, then, you know, and that's your problem, overall it's too short, then straightening is going to be the best thing to do because that adds a little bit of length. And sometimes it's enough because it was a friend that told me that when I had, I think it was my fringe that I hated, and she said, I swear to you, get a hair straightener. And they weren't like as popular then, but she said, get a hair straightener and straighten the front and it will help. And I did, and it did. It really did help. It just made such a difference. And so, yeah, if you think your hair is too short, then straighten it. So my hair is definitely too short, but it's too short at the bottom. I feel like it's too separated. I could have gone back to her, but I'd have, you know, I got this last minute appointment because it's hard to make appointments when, you know, you guys know I don't really leave Watson for too long. I did have to leave him to get this appointment, but don't leave him for very long. And it was literally the only appointment she had, so I can't see that I'm going to get another appointment before Christmas. I could go marching in there and say, I don't like it, can you sort it out? There's nothing to sort out. Like, I don't want it cut, because even Kev said that, can you not get an emergency appointment to sort it out? And I was like, well, I don't want it any shorter, so that's not going to happen. because I think that's the only way it could be sorted, if you like. Should be all right. We're on clip now. So yeah, I straightened it and that helped a little bit. And that is one thing you can do, and that will add a little bit of length to it. Then putting loads of product on it is something else that can help, because that kind of changes the shape of it. So if you think it's feeling too flat, or your hair isn't looking like it's got a lot of volume, then put loads of product in and see what that does. Like I sprayed some spray wax in it yesterday, and it kind of, it's not even that it gave it more volume, but I figured out that if I can get this side, if I can put it in a side part and get the right hand side off of my face, and then tuck the left bit behind my ear, I don't mind the look of it so much. And I know some of you might like it, and some of you might agree with me and say, yeah, it's age due, but it's how you feel yourself, isn't it? And it might just be that it's going to take me a minute to get used to it. A lot of people have said that, you know, my neighbour thinks it's lovely. I don't know whether she's just saying that. I think she would tell me the truth, because she was like, let me see the rest of it before I make a decision, because I had a hat on and I was like, Claire, but and a coat, and she was like, I was like, no, that's it. I said, you can see all of it. It's short, but it is how you feel yourself. But it also might take me a little minute to get used to it. But if you don't like something straight away, there's definitely something about it you don't like. You know, you're not just going to suddenly love it, are you? I took too big a piece there. And I sort of saw the cut that she did with the layers, and at that point it was just too late. There was no point saying anything then. Do you know, this isn't making it that much shorter, which I thought it would. If you look at that side compared to that side, maybe I'm not curling it enough. Yeah, and it was too late, and so I thought, well, there's no point saying anything now. Let's see what it looks like when it's finished. And when it was done, I was like, oh God, it's too short. But you need time, don't you? You need to go away and sit and look in a mirror and assess it yourself and wash it yourself. I always find that my hair is completely different after I've washed it. So I need to wash this. That's the other thing. Don't make a decision, or don't be too distressed until you've washed it. Now, that only works if you're pretty good at styling your hair. Because if you're not good at styling your hair, then that'll probably make it worse. Because I had one other bad haircut. Kev's really scared when I get a bad haircut, which, like I said, has actually only happened, well, it's happened, this will be the third time I've really messed up my hair. The first time was they cut it like this, but it was shorter. It was like graduated at the back, which I almost think this would have looked better if she'd have done that. If she'd have actually gone really short, you know. And that was, I don't know why the hairdresser did that then, but I was in such a bad mood because I had all of these events coming up, and you know, this was like, I don't know, 15, 20 years ago, and so there was nothing I could do about it. So it happened then. And I know that I was grumpy with Kev. I was just in such a bad mood. And then the other time was I wanted a fringe cut in, and I sort of decided to do it myself, and that was an absolute disaster. And I ended up having to get my hair cut short because it was the only option, because I tried to do a blunt fringe and then I didn't like it. And then I ended up using thinning scissors, because that's what my mum used to do. My stepmom used to cut her hair with thinning scissors. And I thought, oh, that's exactly what I need to do. That didn't work. It just looked awful. And when I went to the hairdresser, she was like, the only thing I can do is cut it short to kind of blend in with your fringe, which she did. And it did look better, but it was still short. So if your hair is looking too thin, because I actually think my hair looks really thin at the bottom, I'm hoping that this will add a little bit of volume. Then curling is something you can try, as I am, because that will definitely add, you know, more oomph to your hair. And it's not that this didn't have oomph, but like I said, it looked to me like there was a bit at the bottom that was just sort of hanging there. I don't know, the style just didn't look right, but we'll see what it looks like now. And then what else did I write on my list? Oh, I'm going to use my Babyless Big Hair because I like that, and see how it comes out with that. I'm going to wash it. Like I said, that's a big thing. When you wash it yourself, it makes a big difference. And I'm going to use my Babyless Big Hair and see how that turns out. And I'm also going to try my shark tool on it. You know, my shark tool that will give sort of waves. Can't believe I've done this. I can't believe it. I was just like, I literally was fed up with my hair. And do you know how I was asking you guys, what do you do with your fringe? I was like, to keep it out your way. I feel like everybody's got a style with their hair, and I haven't. You know, I felt like it was just, the only thing that worked was having it off my face, and I didn't want to always do that. And I just was so fed up with my hair, and I thought, let me book an appointment for the new year. That's what I thought. And in the new year, between now and then, I'll sort of plan what I want to do. And then I'll have an appointment with my hairdresser. So that's what I did. Had a look online, and I was like, oh, there's an appointment in half an hour. I'd come home from doing groceries, and I was like, oh, there's an appointment in half an hour. I was like, oh, imagine I could have a lovely new haircut before Christmas. Because, like I said, I was really fed up with it, and my hair just felt like flat. It just felt flat and limp and lifeless, and I was like, and dry. I just want stuff cut off it. You know, I just want a good amount cut off it. So I feel like last time I went to it, I didn't ask for a good amount to be cut off. And I left disappointed. I felt like I should have been braver. So I was like, right, I'm just going to take that appointment. I'm just going to be brave. I'm going to leave Watson, which in itself is brave. And I'm going to go and I'm going to tell her to cut it up to here, which was a lot off my hair. And you know what? Sometimes it works being spontaneous, doesn't it? But in this case, it just hasn't worked. I'm not even sure these curls are going to look right. Or wait, I'm trying to do the waves that I do, you know, where you don't hold it on here for very long. Leave a little bit at the end of the curling tong and then sort of pull it through as almost like a straightener. But it might actually look better properly curled, you know, right to the ends of the hair. That's something else I can try. What else is on my list? Half up. Yeah, I tried it yesterday with half of my hair up, and that looked a bit better. But I can't find a hair up style that I like, even though it looks better. I just had one of these little, they're called crocodile clips. Let's see if that's going to look any better. Better on that side, isn't it? Yeah, better with the parting on that side. I don't think I like it. Let's just check it out and see what happens. That's made me dizzy for a start. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. I don't think curling is the plan. Well, what about with it up like this? Is that better? No, that's not better at all. What are you supposed to do with that? Oh my God, no, I don't think, this is not it. Okay, let's brush through it and see what happens. Going through it even. Oh my God. Okay, that hasn't happened. That hasn't helped at all, has it? That has not helped at all. So, like I said, half up I did decide was better. But what are you supposed to do with that little bit when it's short? That's what I don't know. Let's see. I could just put this in and will that work? Oh my God, what am I going to do? Okay, I'm going to have to wash it. I'm going to have to wash it and try and dry it myself and see if that helps, because it's just, and I'm just going to have to be patient and wait for this to grow out. Okay, so this is me having washed and blow dried it myself, and I absolutely detest it. I just don't know what this, it looks to me like a bowl cut, it really does. So the only thing I can do that I think makes it look a bit better is put this bit of hair back. And I know that might not be everybody's cup of tea, but it's the only way I'm going to cope with this. I'm just going to have to now wait for it to grow out. that's the thing about haircuts and like anything you do to try and improve yourself. I feel like as a woman, there's a long waiting thing, you know, because like if you have Botox and it goes wrong, as happened to me, as you know, it takes months. If anything goes wrong with your nails, like it's gone wrong with me, it takes months. And this, I mean, look how short that is. I would never have agreed to that. And it's like, you can see here, it's like there's one long layer there. And then just the rest of my hair, which is kind of curling up. Oh my goodness. And I keep on saying to myself, like, you need to stop overreacting. Because like there's much worse things in the world. You know, Kev's grieving his parents. It's going to be a very different Christmas. The list is endless really, isn't it? But it's my hair, you know. I mean, thank God it's in winter so I can wear a beanie for a lot of the time. Because even now with this, I'm just like, oh. I think it's just, it just doesn't suit the shape of my face. Do you know what I mean? I still feel like I need to put it behind my ears. Maybe there's nothing wrong with a haircut and it's just, like I said, it just doesn't suit my face. Hopefully I'll get used to it a little bit. Maybe I can dry it differently. I don't think I'm going to try and curl it with my shark tool. That was on my list, but I don't think I'm going to bother doing that because honestly, I don't think it'll make a difference. Thank you guys for listening to me, and let me know if you've had any hair disasters and what you did about them. No point me asking how long it's going to take to grow up because, like I said, it's going to be months. It's going to be next year. And the thing is, because it's so short, it's not. I can't just like tie it up. I can't even get it out my way for the bath or anything. You know, I'm used to having long hair that I can get out of my face, and I can't. It's in my face all the time. But you know, I'm trying to see the positives. Firstly, part of the idea of this was to grow out my undercut, and so I think that'll be much easier at this length because it'll sort of blend in a bit. You know. I'll know what length I want my hair eventually because we'll see what it's like next month and the month after and the month after, and I can decide then what length I like my hair. And if it's long, then when it's long, hopefully I'll appreciate it long and just be like, no, I'm keeping my hair long, you know. So yeah, I'm trying to see the positives in it. And we're not got any guests for Christmas, so nobody's got to see my hair. I don't have any events or anything to go to. So yeah, thank you so much for listening to me, and I'll speak to you again soon.